In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct sprint planning using Wrike. This versatile project management tool is perfect for organizing your agile projects, ensuring that your team is always on the same page and ready to tackle the tasks ahead. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, head over to Wrike and choose the specific space where your agile projects are located. Navigating to the correct space is crucial because it ensures that you're working in the right environment with all the necessary resources and people involved in your sprint planning. Once you're there, it's time to create a sprint folder or project. Think of this as setting up a dedicated area where all your sprint-related activities and tasks will be centralized. Naming it something like Sprint 1 Octies 2025 will provide clarity and help everyone quickly identify the current sprint. After you've typed in the name, simply click Create and your sprint folder or project is ready to go. Next, you'll want to populate this new sprint with tasks. Start by adding tasks relevant to your sprint goal, such as write new product copy and design banner graphics. Clearly defining these tasks will give your team a detailed understanding of the work that needs to be accomplished during the sprint. Be as descriptive as necessary when you're inputting this information, ensuring that all team members understand what's required from them. Now, it's important to set priorities and assign tasks to your team. Prioritization helps in managing workload effectively and highlights the tasks that need immediate attention. Assigning tasks to team members clarifies roles and responsibilities, making sure that everyone knows what they are accountable for. This step is fundamental in ensuring that your sprint is executed smoothly and successfully. Once tasks are assigned, switch to Board View to enhance your team's workflow visualization. Board View allows you and your team to keep track of the progress by moving tasks between stages. As your sprint progresses, you can drag and drop tasks through different columns, such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed. This not only gives you a visual representation of your sprint's progress, but also helps in identifying any bottlenecks quickly and efficiently. These steps provide a straightforward, yet effective way to plan and manage your sprints in Wrike, keeping everything organized and ensuring your team can collaborate seamlessly. Remember, the key to successful sprint planning is communication and clarity. So make sure to regularly check in with your team and adjust plans as needed. Through consistent and mindful management, your sprints can run without a hitch, allowing you to deliver high-quality work on time. Thank you for watching this guide on how to do sprint planning in Wrike. We hope it helps streamline your agile project management process.